Welcome to our review of the best floor-standing speakers in 2024. We'll be exploring 5 top models: the HECO Aurora 700, Q Acoustics 3050i, Klipsch Reference R26FA, Polk Audio Reserve Series R700, and the Klipsch Reference Premier RP8000 F2. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or looking for premium audio, we've got you covered with these outstanding choices. Let's dive in and find your perfect speaker. Number 5. The HECO Aurora 700 3-way floor-standing speaker is a powerhouse of audio performance and modern design. Outfitted with dual 6.5-inch drivers, this speaker delivers deep, powerful bass and detailed sound across all frequencies. The new fluctus tweeter with a 28mm fabric dome ensures precise, well-dispersed high frequencies. Constructed with HECO craft paper membranes, the woofer and mid-range produce neutral, natural timbres. The sleek white finish combines silk matte lacquer with modern wood decor, adding a touch of elegance to any room. With a maximum output of 200 watts and stable bass crossbars featuring adjustable aluminum cone spikes, the Aurora 700 stands tall in both style and performance. This speaker is perfect for audiophiles seeking both aesthetic appeal and high-quality sound. Number 4. The Q Acoustics 3050i floor-standing speaker is a top-tier choice for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. Designed for hi-fi sound, it features 0.9-inch decoupled high-frequency drivers with wide surrounds for excellent stereo dispersion. The P2P bracing minimizes cabinet vibrations, delivering purer sound quality. HPE technology eliminates cabinet resonance, ensuring balanced air pressure within the enclosure for enhanced audio fidelity. With a sleek design and low-profile binding posts, these speakers can be placed close to a rear wall, making them versatile for any room layout. The 3050i has a 2-way reflex enclosure with dual 6.5-inch bass drivers and a frequency response of 44 Hz to 30 kHz. Boasting a sensitivity of 91 dB and a power input range of 50 to 165 watts, these speakers provide robust, immersive sound. Perfect for both music and movies, the Q Acoustics 3050i elevates your listening experience. Number 3. The Klipsch Reference R26FA floor-standing speaker is a powerhouse of sound, designed to deliver an immersive audio experience. With a maximum output of 400 watts, these speakers feature a built-in elevation channel for Dolby Atmos, creating a multidimensional soundscape that enhances movies and music alike. The 1-inch aluminum diaphragm compression tweeter and dual 6.5 copper-spun magnetically shielded IMG woofers provide crisp highs and deep, rich bass. The 90x90 square Tractrix horn ensures precise sound directionality and clarity. Freestanding and robust, the R26FA is perfect for home theaters or stereo systems, promising dynamic and detailed audio. Its sleek design, coupled with the signature Klipsch sound, makes it a standout choice for any audiophile seeking high-quality performance and aesthetics. Number 2. The Polk Audio Reserve Series R700 tower speaker offers an exceptional audio experience with its 1-inch pinnacle ring radiator tweeter and dual 6.5 turbine cone woofers. Delivering ultra-clear highs, detailed mid-range, and rich bass, this speaker is high-res audio certified, Dolby Atmos, and IMAX enhanced, ensuring dynamic and crystal-clear sound. The dual 8-inch long-throw drivers and downfiring port, enhanced by Polk's PowerPort 2.0 with export technology, provide deep, distortion-free bass. Versatile and powerful, it fits seamlessly into any home theater system, serving as a front, side, or rear surround. The cabinet's elegant, cross-braced design minimizes resonances, while the acoustically inert magnetic grills maintain a sleek look. Adjustable feet allow for versatile placement on various floor types. For a complete 5-channel system, pair it with our 200 bookshelf speakers, an R400 center channel, and an R900 height module, all sold separately. Number 1. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP8000 F2 dual floor-standing speaker pair delivers an exceptional home theater experience. Featuring a new, larger 90 degrees by 90 degrees silicone composite hybrid Tractrix horn, these speakers produce superior sound dispersion. The 1-inch titanium diaphragm tweeter minimizes distortion, ensuring detailed and crisp audio, while the updated 8 cerametallic woofers provide flawless sound reproduction with minimal distortion and maximum efficiency. With a maximum output of 400 watts, these speakers offer robust and immersive audio performance. Dual input terminals allow for bi-wiring or bi-amping, enabling customization and reducing distortion for clearer mid-range. The sleek ebony finish adds a touch of elegance to any home theater setup. Overall, the RP8000 F2 speakers are a top choice for audiophiles seeking premium sound quality and versatile connectivity options.